Hello, I am MD Mainuddin Roni. Today I am going to present our visual analytics systems claim bees. Determining the veracity of a factual claim made by public figures has become a common task for journalists in newsroom. However, fact-checkers face critical challenges as they swipe through a large amount of text to find out claims that are check-worthy. Although there are some computational methods to identify factual claims automatically, there is a knowledge gap of designing an effective system for the users to take advantage of computational methods. In our work, we aim to reduce this gap. So our goal is to design a system where we can combine natural language processing with visualization techniques that could support the users in spotting and verifying claims. In order to do so, we conducted a design study with professional fact-checkers to understand their challenges and requirements. Based on this, we designed a visual analytics system combining natural language processing and interactive visualization techniques to explore and evaluate the potentially check-worthy claims in a large transcript. After that, we evaluated the system with professional fact-checkers to prove its efficacy. For requirement gathering, we followed the visualization design study method and interviewed 3 professional fact-checkers from PolitiFact and Duke Reporters Lab. The interview was open-ended in nature and was run in a focus group setting so that it could open up a diverse range of issues and possible solutions. The participants provided important insights into their current work practices and challenges. For example, lack of ability for human to provide input and absence of contextual information. Our conversation with domain experts revealed several important analytical tasks, including to get a visual overview of how check-worthy claims are distributed across a transcript so that they can quickly spot the interesting claims, finding all claims made by a specific speaker of interest, and finding relevant evidence for a given claim to verify. Our system applies several text analysis techniques on the transcribed document and then visualizes the results to the user. We adopted a deep learning model to predict the check-worthiness of each sentence. In addition to the prediction, the model also gives us information about words that contribute most to the check-worthiness of a sentence. Our manual exploration revealed that there are 4 prominent types of claim exist in a script. We devised a rule-based classification technique that categorizes a claim into one of the 4 types. There are some other text analysis techniques we applied on the transcript, for example, topics, sentiment, and evidence mining. Now we are going to show the demo of our system.
In this demo, we present how claim bees can be used in a debate transcript. Claim bees has 3 main panels. The left panel contains the topic and speaker information. Topics are determined automatically using an algorithm named bi-term topic modeling and are represented by top keywords of that topic. Users can filter the transcript based on topic keywords as well as speakers. Finally, the user can search for keywords using the search box at the top. The middle panel is called Minimap, which provides a visual overview of the transcript so that the fact checker can locate check-worthy claims based on the claim scores about specific topics. The small rectangles in the minimap represent sentences in the transcript. When a rectangle is hovered, the corresponding sentence becomes visible as a tooltip. There are 2 types of columns in the minimap. The first type represents topic, and for each topic column, the system shows the statements that fall under that particular topic. The color of these rectangles matches the topic color. When the user makes any selection in the left view, the relevant rectangles under the topic columns get highlighted. Another type of column represents the claim type for each statement. Here, the color saturation of a rectangle depicts the check-worthiness of the corresponding sentence, but the darker tone indicates the sentence is highly check-worthy. The panel also has a filtering option of the transcript based on the claim score. The right panel shows the transcript of the debate in the chronological order. Along with the speaker's attribution, it shows the sentiment and check-worthiness score of the corresponding statement. To help the user understand why the system predicts a sentence as highly claim check-worthy, it highlights the words that contributed towards higher claim scores. It also has a bookmark option, and whenever the user clicks on this button, the corresponding sentence is added to the bookmark section. Now, let's imagine a fact-checking scenario. Suppose a fact-checker John wants to find out all the check-worthy claims made by Bernie Sanders on the issue healthcare. John started by selecting Sanders from the speaker list, and then he selected the word care from the topic list. In response, ClaimBees highlighted all the sentences from Sanders related to the issue care. To find the most check-worthy claims, John then decided to use the slider, and as a result, John can now see all the highly check-worthy claims. Then he decided to quickly browse through the statements by clicking on the rectangles from the minimap, and after clicking, he felt that this particular sentence is indeed highly check-worthy. So he decided to bookmark it for the future review. Finally, in order to verify the claim, John decided to click on the search icon. As a result, the interface finds relevant documents to this claim and highlights the sentences that may provide evidence for this claim.
To test the efficacy of ClaimBees, we ran case studies with 4 domain experts. Through the studies, we wanted to understand: does ClaimBees help target users in finding and verifying claims effectively? Which visualization features worked and did not work? What can we learn from their feedback to improve the system? The participants have extensive amount of fact-checking experience ranging from 1 to 4 years. This study is designed on 2 debate transcripts. In the study, the participant performed 2 types of tasks. 4 target criteria tasks where they would have to find check-worthy claims about some specific topics or speakers or both, and an exploratory task with a different transcript where they would have to find 5 most check-worthy claims according to their own interests. According to the result analysis, all participants found the ClaimBees interface to be effective in identifying check-worthy claims. In particular, they mostly agreed that showing the topic and claim score of each sentence in the minimap is useful. All participants liked the interactive features of faceted exploration by topics and speakers. Although ClaimBees mostly met the identified task requirements, there were some concerns from participants. Some participants thought people who are not familiar with technology may take some time to understand how it works. Moreover, while all participants agreed that the filtering by claim score was helpful, 2 of them did not find the word highlighting feature equally helpful. Some participants suggested additional features to enhance the fact-checking process. For example, one participant suggested to add sentiment distribution for the speakers. ClaimBees supports the user to interactively filter sentences in a long transcript to find the highly check-worthy claims, followed by verifying the claims by finding potential evidence that may support or oppose the claim. But there are some limitations. Our current system only supports conversational scripts. In the future, we will extend our system for supporting fact-checking with other corpora, for example, social media text. Moreover, the verification component of the system identifies similar sentences using sentence similarity. We want to enrich it with further linguistic analysis such as stance detection and argument mining. We have provided the live system link here. Thanks for listening. If you have any question, feel free to ask.